Did you know? A brand new Dakota CMX10-DL can be inspection ready in under 5 minutes. In this video, we will cover how to unbox and assemble the Dakota CMX10-DL and how to add a new transducer and perform an initial calibration. The Dakota CMX10-DL full wave capture thickness gauge comes in a hard plastic carry case with all the accessories within. This includes the gauge, a high-capacity lithium-ion rechargeable battery, power supply with UK, EU and US adapters, 120 milliliters of ultrasonic couplant, a hand strap, shoulder strap, a screen protector, USB cable, calibration certificate, and user manual. To insert the battery, remove the 2 screws on the back of the gauge and remove the back panel. Slot the battery in, ensuring the orientation is correct. The back panel is also where you can extend the storage of your CMX10-DL with external SD cards. Remove the film on the screen and optionally apply the included protector. Setting up the Dakota CMX10-DL is quick and simple. Simply switch on the gauge, select your language, set the date and time, brightness, and screen layout. The Dakota CMX10-DL will prompt you to add a transducer before the gauge can be used. Connect your transducer. Input its ID or serial number, probe type, the manufacturer, frequency, diameter, type, and confirm. It's suggested that an initial calibration should be performed at this stage. For this example, we will do a known velocity calibration. Your new Dakota CMX10-DL is now fully operational and ready to use. To find out more about the Dakota CMX10-DL full wave capture thickness gauge, click the link on screen. And don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos.